This is Israel. He starts his morning by securing gear and PPE, going over his workload and priority levels of each repair, and joining his team for a morning huddle. Israel and his close-knit team take pride in their work and aim to provide their world-class fleet repair expertise. Israel loves that Carvana supplies diagnostic software, specialty tools, and $500 per year towards tools to each team member that makes their work safe, precise, and professional. When Israel has a question, he has a network of fellow technicians, managers, and trainers to help him on the spot. Israel and his team care about each other and have the support and facilities to ensure their safety. Diesel techs get a ton of perks like phone reimbursements, extra days off, and competitive health benefits. But that's not all. Carvana provides $500 per year for ASC certs and on-the-job training. Today, Israel gets his certification. Just how Carvana makes sure Israel is safe at work, Israel makes sure our fleet is safe for the road. With everything Israel and his team accomplished today, our trucks are safe to hit the road again. Israel's work is hard, but Israel knows and loves making things run. Israel is a diesel tech here at Carvana. If you or someone you know is interested in a diesel tech role, check out www.carvana.com/careers.